In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Yukon key fob. Replacing your internal battery at home is very easy to do. You won't need any special tools to get it done, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The one thing you will need is a battery, which for this device is a CR2450 battery. If you don't have one of those lying around, go check out the link in the description. The first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. The first step here is just to find the button on the side of your device, hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Now we're going to use this key to pull off the back piece of plastic here. So you can see here is get a better angle, here is the keyhole on the left, and then right here is an indentation right there. Just going to put the key into that area and give it a little twist or just pry, and the back will come off without much force at all. It's very easy. From here, we're going to keep using this key and just go in one of these holes next to the battery and push down and pry the battery up. You can now dispose of your dead battery. Grab your new CR2450 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it and that text, that information, is facing up, and you will just slide it into place, sliding it under the tab here on the bottom part before clicking it in on the top. Again, that is positive side facing up. And now all we need to do is just click this back piece of plastic back on there, just gently squeeze it into place and put your key back in there. And just like that, you are finished. I hope that video was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs of almost every make and model out there. You can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.